Welcome to quizfunfest. Ready for a trivia quest? Here's number 1. Which is a character from the Jungle Book? Is it Tigger, Bagheera, or Snoopy? It's Bagheera. Next one. Who has scored the most goals in international soccer matches? Is it Ronaldo, Messi, or Neymar? It's Ronaldo. Third one. What are corals? Are they animals, plants, or rocks? They are animals, specifically marine invertebrates. Number 4. The famous line, "Call me Ishmael," is from which book? Is it Treasure Island, Tom Sawyer, or Moby Dick? It's Moby Dick. Hit like if you got this right. Number 5. What is tofu made from? Is it lichen, soybean, or potato? It's soybean. Enjoying the quiz? Then like and share with friends. And subscribe for more such videos. Next one is a true or false question. Gmail was launched on April Fool's Day. It's true. It was announced to the public by Google on April 1st, 2004. Number 7. In which of these sports can you do a hat trick? Is it tennis, basketball, or cricket? It's cricket. They are also in games like soccer and hockey. Number 8. Which of these planets is shrinking? Is it Mercury, Venus, or Earth? It's Mercury. How much of the world population is left-handed? Is it 5%, or 10%, or 25%? It's approximately 10%. Hit subscribe if you got this right. Here's something different now. Spot 3 differences. You have 20 seconds. Can you find them? Keep looking. Time's up. There you have it. Here's a bonus one. How many edges does a cube have? Is it 8, or 10, or 12? Share your answer in the comments. Next one. Which of these companies was acquired by Google? Is it YouTube, WhatsApp, or Canva? It's YouTube. Number 12. Where was mayonnaise invented? Was it France, Spain, or England? It was Spain. Which of these dogs is a Cocker Spaniel? Is it A, or B, or C? It's C. Number 14. Which country has the longest Christmas? Is it Ethiopia, Philippines, or Israel? It's Philippines. Here Christmas can last up to 4 months. Next one. What is the bottom half of a centaur? Is it a horse, or a lion, or a man? It's horse. Next one. Originally, what was the color of Santa Claus's suit? Was it blue, or green, or orange? It was green. What is the currency of Iran? Is it Rial, or Dirham, or Rial? It's Rial. Hit like if you haven't already. Number 18. Which country qualified first time for FIFA 2026? Is it Uzbekistan, Ecuador, or Paraguay? It's Uzbekistan. Next one. The word avatar comes from which language? Is it Japanese, Sanskrit, or Latin? Sanskrit. Next one. In fitness, what does HIIT stand for? There are no options for this one. High-intensity interval training. Next one. Which of these does not belong to Greek mythology? Is it Odin, Zeus, or Hera? It's Twilight. Next one. What is the main ingredient of baba ganoush? Is it eggplant, or chickpeas, or flour? It's eggplant. Which of these animals can't walk backwards? Is it emu, or hippopotamus, or platypus? It's emu. Where was Christmas banned for 400 years? Is it Scotland, or the Netherlands, or China? It's Scotland. Complete the phrase, better late than blank. Is it never, or ever, or forever? The phrase is, better late than never. Number 26. What is this symbol? Hint, it's seen on garment tags. There are no options for this question. It means do not bleach. Next one. What Olympic sport was invented in Japan? Is it judo, or karate, or fencing? It's judo. Which of these countries started as a British prison? Is it New Zealand, or Australia, or Indonesia? It's Australia. Here's an interesting one. What was the original name of New York City? Was it New Britain, or New Amsterdam, or New Haven? It was New Amsterdam. Last one. Pick the odd one out. That's the one. I'm sure you got it. Pick your next challenge from the options shown.